To access our Bearcat Wellness resources, simply visit our website at bit.ly/bearcatwellness. When it prompts you to enter the password, you'll enter the word school and sign in. This gives you full access to our collection of resources. To see the full collection, you would click on Cameron's collection, and you can scroll down to see all of the resources available. If you're looking for a particular topic, you would go to the search bar and enter a keyword, for example, depression, and search. This would pull up all of the resources with any mention of that particular topic. When you found one that was of interest to you, you would click on the title, and this would give you the full text. You can translate it, you can enhance the font size, listen to it. You have options to share these directly into your Google Drive or email them. And then you have a full toolbar up here to view the table of contents for that book, to read this as a book view, to cite it if you're using it for research, to send it to someone, download, print, to get the link. And you can also highlight and make notes on individual articles and books to be saved for later. That's how you access our mental health and wellness resources. Thanks for coming.